Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something. Is it possible to invest in a stock and have absolutely no downside risk? No chance of losing a single dollar of capital. Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's actually possible. Today I'm going to show you how the setup works, the risks and rewards, step by step how to build it, and how I manage it over time. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And remember, this isn't financial advice. It's just the type of trade I personally do in my own account. Here's the strategy. Buy 100 shares of stock. Add a protective put. Layer in a butterfly spread. That's 4 legs in total. When combined, it creates a position where you cannot lose money. Let's say the stock is trading around $343. I want my butterfly centered near the money, just slightly lower. Let's use $340 as the center. So the trade looks like this. Buy the $325 call. Sell 2 of the $340 calls. Buy the $355 call. That's a $15 wide butterfly. It might cost about $200 to $330 to open. Max profit potential. $763 to $1,100. That's about a 3-to-1 reward to risk ratio. Now here's the trick to make it riskless. Switch the lowest leg of the butterfly into a put at the $330 strike. Add a stock leg by buying 100 shares. Here's why it works. If the stock dropped all the way to zero, the put guarantees a payout near $33,000. Since the shares cost slightly less than that, the trade cannot lose. Downside, the minimum return is small. For example, $100 profit on $32,900 capital is only about a 1.9% annualized return. But when you add in dividends plus the potential butterfly payoff, the upside is much better. I track all of these trades in a spreadsheet. The process is simple. Close the old butterfly before expiry. Open the new one further out. Keep the 100 shares the whole time. Sometimes I even collect a credit when rolling forward, which increases the guaranteed return. In fact, on one of these rolls, my minimum return jumped to around 7% annualized, not even counting dividends. Worst case, I make steady income. Best case, the stock lands inside the butterfly tent, and the payoff can be many times larger. This setup is zero downside risk, a guaranteed base return, big upside potential if the stock trades in range. Pretty powerful, right? If you want to keep learning strategies like this, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's grow together.